it continues to be a really leading conversation piece. I think what's interesting this year is that I think the urgency has really stepped up from organizations and clients understanding that the time is over to sort of be assessing, and POCs, pilots, and execution really need to take the forefront in order to really keep pace with their competitors in the space.
AI and cybersecurity are the biggest kind of themes that I see in this show.
Well, I think there are two big ones that I've seen that is pretty much across the board here. One is AI. And how do you leverage AI to maximize your ability to improve efficiency, save money, make money? It's probably the number one that I've heard. And secondly is cybersecurity. How do you protect your data? How do you protect your employees from screwing up? And how do you protect your infrastructure from those that are trying to do harm to you? So I think those out of everything that I've heard thus far, AI and cybersecurity, probably the number one and number two things I've heard.
2 to 3 things learned at the show. I mean, I think it's a further validation of how critical good data is to help inform future states for our clients, right? Understanding that buildings are no longer a set and forget. They are continually iterative, and really the need to have tools that are going to provide a really strong foundation about how those spaces are performing and the appropriate data to support those informed decisions moving forward.
I think I learned that buildings are certainly working to get smarter. I don't know if that's the right way to look at it, because the building's not working to do anything, but I think people are making buildings smarter, and then I think people are trying to see how that intelligence can be used to learn more about what people are doing inside the building and use those insights to make smarter decisions about the people that are working inside of buildings.
I think an area that was really exciting was the announcement around some of the funding from the GSA moving forward. Again, I think further validation of just how critical a need it is for organizations, even at the government level, to really better understand how their space is performing from a sustainability and future state perspective. There were so many great representatives from Microsoft, Walmart. I think the tone continues to be that individual work changes, that we really have to follow human behavior and respond to how it is that people are working, and really be providing the right spaces to be able to support the types of work that are happening within that space. And again, not a set it and forget it perspective, to be able to observe those over time, understand different trends that are happening, and be able to respond appropriately to them.